A very good morning to all my dear students. So today after the exams we are going to continue with our syllabus. So now we are going to start the chapter fractions. Okay. So fractions, you would have heard of this word fraction. Okay. Now just observe the diagram first of all. So in this diagram you can see there is a circle. So this is a whole circle. Now this circle has been divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 equal parts. Now what have I done? I have shaded 2 parts. Out of the 8 parts, I have shaded 2 parts. Okay. That means the fraction of the shaded region is 2 by 8. So this is called a fraction. Okay. Similarly, you can see this diagram. Here you can see this is a rectangle, and this rectangle is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 equal parts. And I've shaded 3 parts out of 6. That means the fraction over here is 3 by 6. So this represents a fraction. Okay, so basically what is a fraction? A fraction is a number representing part of a whole. Okay, so the whole may be a single object or a group of objects. Okay, and the most important part is that all the parts must be equal. Now you have seen in both the figures all the 8 parts and all the 6 parts over here are equal. So this is the most important thing. So basically जब आप जाते हो, when you go to a shop, if you are purchasing 10 chocolates, okay, if you are purchasing 10 chocolates and if I tell you to divide it into 2 equal parts, okay, usually your mom says give half of the chocolates to your brother and half you take. So out of 10 chocolates you will give 5 chocolates to your brother and 5 chocolates you will keep with yourself. So 5 out of 10. So this is a fraction. So here you can see I have given the examples जिसमें आपके पास you have a whole object, single object. Here I'm talking about a circle, so this is a single object. Here I'm talking about a rectangle, this is also a single object. When I gave you the example of 10 chocolates, so 10 chocolates का example जब मैंने आपको दिया है, that is a group of objects. So basically you can divide an object also and a group of objects also into equal parts. तो उसको हम fraction से represent करते हैं. So I hope all of you have understood the concept of fractions. Now we will start the exercise 7.1. Okay. Now in exercise 7.1, the first question is, the diagrams are given to you in the book. So what you have to do, you have to write the shaded part का fraction आपको लिखना है. So first of all, it is very important, as I told you, this thing you have to keep in mind, that all the parts must be equal. So if this is a triangle, this triangle is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts and all the 4 parts are equal. So 4 will come in the denominator. Okay, 4 will come in the denominator, and then you will see how many parts are shaded. So you can see over here there are 2 parts shaded, so the fraction will be 2 upon 4. Okay, so this is a single object. Now you can see over here this is a group of objects. So there are balls 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. All the 8 balls are same, equal. So 8 will come in the denominator, and out of 8 balls these 4 balls are shaded. So the fraction will be 4 upon 8. Similarly, you can see this is a ball again. So in this is a whole object, one single object. In this, the circle, this ball is divided into 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 equal parts, and one part is shaded. So 1 upon 4. Okay. So I think all of you have understood the simple question. So remaining parts of this question you will do by your own. That will be your homework. Now we'll see the next question. Now in the next question you can see over here 3 figures are given to you और उनके fractions भी आपको दिए हुए हैं, and the question is there any error? You have to see whether there is any mistake. So you can see यहाँ पर एक triangle है. Okay, it has been divided into 2 equal parts. One part is shaded and it is written that fraction is 1 upon 2. And here you have a rectangle. which is divided into 4 parts. One part is shaded and the fraction written over here is 1 by 4. This is a circle which is again divided into 4 parts, out of which 3 parts are shaded. So the fraction written over here is 3 by 4. So you have to tell whether there is any error or not. So basically I told you, whenever you are writing about the fractions, the most important part is all the parts must be equal. अब आप इन figures में देख सकते हैं, these 2 parts are not equal, these 4 parts are not equal, these 4 parts are not equal. अगर ये parts ही equal नहीं होंगे, you cannot represent it as a fraction. So you will write, reason will be all figures have error. And what is that error? As all the parts are not equal. Okay, so you cannot represent the fraction. So this is the error. So I hope you all have understood. Now question number 4 we will see, which is asked, what is the fraction of 8 hours of a day? Okay, what fraction is 8 hours of a day? यानी कि अगर एक दिन में 8 hours, if you want to write in the form of fraction, how much, what will be the fraction? So first of all you will write 1 day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours, you all know. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So the required fraction will be 8 upon 24. As simple. Okay. Similarly, question number 5, which you will be doing by yourself, where it is written that what fraction of an hour is 40 minutes. Okay, यानी कि 40 minutes एक घंटे का क्या fraction होता है? So you know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. You will write first of all, and then required fraction will be 40 upon 60. Okay. So this way we have completed till question number 5. So you all are requested to complete till question number 5 of exercise exercise 7.1. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.